This is how to turn off direct messages or DMs on the TikTok app completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device, and once open up and loaded, pause the video on the bottom right hand screen which says profile. And then go to the top right hand screen and click these three icons, and then scroll down until you see the fourth options, settings and privacy. Underneath account and above security and permissions, click privacy. Now basically you want to scroll down until you see the option direct messages, which is the third option. If you want to turn this off completely, you can click the first option. And underneath here you have a couple different options: everyone, friends, suggested friends, and no one. In this case, click the fourth option, no one. And then bada bing, bada boom, no one can add you to group chats. Click back, and then back one more time, scroll down. Boom, you have successfully disabled or turned off direct messages or DMs on TikTok.